In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use canvases in Slack. Let's dive right in and explore this handy feature that can really streamline your collaborative efforts within the Slack workspace. Understanding how to effectively use canvases can enhance your ability to share content and work collaboratively with your team. To start off, you need to access Slack. Once you're in the Slack environment, it's straightforward to locate the Canvas feature. This is typically found in the Slack sidebar, which is where you'd go to handle your team's channels and direct messages. Think of canvases as a virtual space where you can collect and share information seamlessly across your team, making it the go-to feature for organizing data, brainstorming collaboratively, or even creating visual presentations without leaving Slack. Once you've located the Canvas section, click on it to open up a blank canvas. This interface might feel familiar if you've used other document or presentation tools before. Its intuitive design lets you easily add text, images, and other elements by using the toolbar located at the top of the canvas. Within this toolbar, you can find options to format your text, insert links, or even draw directly onto the canvas if you're feeling creative. Adding images or uploading files is particularly useful for those wanting to include graphs or documents that are crucial to your project discussions. After you've added your content, you might want to rearrange it for clarity. Canvases provide a drag and drop feature, making it simple to organize elements the way you want. Remember that keeping your canvas clear and structured not only helps you, but also ensures any team member viewing it can understand your message without confusion. While working on your canvas, always keep collaboration in mind. With Slack's real-time editing capabilities, multiple people can work on a canvas simultaneously. This means you'll see updates as they happen, making team collaborations dynamic and interactive. If you're collaborating, use the comment feature to communicate with your colleagues directly on the canvas. Leaving feedback or annotating sections with your insights can significantly boost your team's productivity and ensure everyone's voices are heard. When you're satisfied with your canvas, sharing it is the next step. Simply click on the share button to send it to your desired channels or individuals within Slack. You can control the privacy settings to specify who gets viewing or editing rights. So take a moment to adjust these to fit your team's needs. To wrap things up, leveraging canvases in Slack can be a game changer for your team's collaborative projects. Whether you're brainstorming ideas or organizing project information, this feature provides a versatile platform that keeps everything you need in one place. So that's all for today. Take a moment to experiment with canvases and see how they can benefit your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.